A very good morning, one and all. I am Vidyanand Kumar. I did my MTech from NIT Agartala, and from last 4 years, I am working as a assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. And uh, as a mechanical engineering, I am working as a assistant professor. So I did and I gone through the various subjects related to mechanical engineering, and I want to convey you one important message that mathematics has a very important role, very key role in the engineering field. So without mathematics, we cannot even think about that engineering. How in engineering course, even in all throughout the engineering course, how mathematics is going to be used. So like that, in the engineering first year engineering, they have given some name, that is engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics, almost more or less the same topic, same syllabus, whatever we have studied in 11th and 12th, and somewhat the vast version, somewhat details in the engineering mathematics. Whatever we have studied in 11th and 12th, the same thing we are going to study in detail in the engineering courses. So that name is engineering mathematics. Now I want to continue with mathematics, which is going to be used in engineering. In engineering, every engineering, any trade of engineering. So basically, in mechanical engineering, mathematics is being used versatile. So matrix. Now today we are going to discuss the matrix. Today we are going to discuss matrix, right? So basically, in matrix, also specifically, we are going to discuss the how we can multiply two matrix. How we can multiply two matrix. So before going to multiply two matrix, we have to check that two things: order of that matrix. So why order of that matrix? Without knowing the order of that particular two given matrix, we cannot say that this multiplication of two matrices is possible or not. So first of all, we will see the two given matrix. We will write. We can multiply two or three like that, whatever we want. For example, we are going to take multiplication of two matrix. So two matrix we need. So some element under the matrix, some element is there. So what is the box? Box is nothing but the way of representation. Matrix is nothing but the way of representation of any numbers, any functions, right? So some element, these are the elements of that matrix. Suppose A matrix is this one, and in that A matrix there are different elements: 8, 6, 8, another one is 6, 1, 2, 5, 0, 2, 4, 2. So these are the element of this matrix, element of A matrix. So this one is called A11, first row, first column. What is the row? Or horizontal line is called row, and vertical line is called column. So now somewhat forward, somewhat next topic, that is multiplication of two matrix. So I am going to assume that this what is the row, what is the column is known. For us it is known. Another B matrix is given. This one is B matrix. Now we have to check. We have to find that AB means multiplication of A matrix with B. First we will write A, then B. So before that one, we have to check that order of that matrix. Then only we can say these two matrices possible. This multiplication of two matrices is possible or not. So order of these two matrices, order, how we can write that order? Number of row into number of column. Number of row is 3. 3 horizontal line is there. 1 horizontal line, 2 horizontal line, 3 horizontal line. And number of column, vertical line, 1 vertical line, 2 vertical and 3 vertical. So we have written 3 by 3 matrix. And with this one, 3 row and 2 column, 3 by 2 matrix. Now by seeing these two matrix, we have to identify that these two matrix multiplication is possible or not. So for that one, we have to check this one. This one denotes the row. This one denotes the column. So column of the first matrix should be equal to the row of the second matrix. Then if it is If these two are equal, then we can multiply. Then we can multiply these two matrix, right? Now how we can multiply? We will take each row one by one separately, and we will multiply with that column. So we will take the first row. This one is called first row. Row is denoted by R. Row 1, first row, second row, and third row. Like the column C1, C2, C3. Like second one, row 1, row 2, row 3, C1, C2. Right? So first row, we will take that first row. And multiply it with the first column and second column, C1 and C2. Right? So first row, we will take that first row, AB. We are multiplying with for AB, not BA, AB. So first row, 8 element of first one, we will multiply with first element. So 8 into 2, 16, and between these two, we will use as a plus sign. If after multiplying these two, somewhere we are getting negative sign, then we will put as a negative sign. But we will initially we have to assume as a positive, right? So 8 into 2, 16 plus 6 into 8, 48, again plus 1 into 2, right? So for this one will be the first element. Now same row with the second column, 8 into 2, 32 plus 6 into 4, 24 plus 1 into 4, right? Now second row we will take, so 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 into 8, 40 plus 0 into 2, 0. Now the same row with the second column, 2 into 4, 8 plus 5 into 4, 20 plus 0 into 4, 0. Right? The third row now we will take. Third row with the same column, 2 into 2, 4 plus for this 4 into 8, 32 plus this 2 into 2, 4. Right? Now this row with the second column, 2 into 4, 8 plus 4 into 4, 16 plus 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 8. Now we will add these two. Now we will see what is the order of this obtained matrix. Order means this row, first row, second row, third row means 3 column, first column, second column, 3 by 2 matrix we got. Now we can cross verify, you can cross check also. Whatever the remaining numbers are there, that will be the order of that matrix. This one and this one, 3 by 2. We are getting here also 3 by 2. Right? So like this way we can cross check also. If we are getting like this, then it is true. Otherwise, somewhere we did mistake. Again, we have to multiply these two. So we will get from here also we can identify what will be the order of the multiplied matrix. What will be the order of this two multiplied matrix, right? So these things should be equal. Then only we can multiply, and whatever the remaining numbers are there, that will be the order of that multiplied matrix. So remaining number is this 3 and this 3, and we have to write in a order only. We will not write 2 by 3, right? We will write 3 by 2. First this one A, whatever the for A, then we will take with the B, right? So with this one, we learned about the multiplication of two matrix. Brief introduction of multiplication of two matrix. There are so many operations in matrix. So right there we will continue. Thank you.